Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very popular topic. It is one I get asked about all the time. Can you use lemon on your face? Before you go reaching for that yellow fruit in your kitchen, let's talk about it. What is a lemon? A lemon is a bright yellow citrus fruit. It grows on a small evergreen tree, known scientifically as Citrus limen. Scientists believe the tree first grew in parts of northeast India, northern Myanmar, and China before traveling worldwide. From there, it spread across the globe. Now lemons are grown in warm climates everywhere. They are a staple in kitchens from Italy to Mexico, and your own home. We use lemons to brighten dishes, add fragrance to baking, and for classic lemonade. It is not just for food. Many people clean with lemon for its acidity and scent. Because it is common and natural, people wonder if it belongs in skincare. But natural does not automatically mean safe or effective for your skin. Skin is a delicate organ. We need care and knowledge. So let's peel back the layers. What is inside lemon, what the science says, the risks, and the safest how-to. To understand if lemon can help your skin, we first need to look inside it. What are its active components? Lemon juice is mostly water, but it contains a few key skincare ingredients. The most well-known is vitamin C, also called ascorbic acid, a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect cells from free radicals, from pollution and UV. Skin loves vitamin C for this reason. Another component is citric acid, an alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, used in toners and chemical peels. AHAs loosen the glue holding dead skin cells on the surface. Removing that top layer can reveal brighter, smoother skin. Peel oils like limonene give fragrance. Flavonoids add antioxidant effects. But lemon is a whole food, not a controlled lab product. Concentrations vary fruit to fruit. One lemon can be far more acidic than another. Vitamin C in juice degrades quickly with air and light. Formulated serums stabilize and deliver tested concentrations at skin-safe pH. Raw juice is unpredictable on skin. Lemon pH is around 2. Skin lives near 5. Big mismatch. That is why caution is essential. So why are people so eager to put lemon on their skin? The claims are exciting. Most common, lighten dark spots, sun damage, post-inflammation, acne marks. Citric acid exfoliates. Vitamin C can inhibit melanin steps. PubMed reviews show vitamin C helps hyperpigmentation in formulated products. Results come from controlled cosmetic formulas, not raw lemon. Another claim, oil control and acne. Lemon is an astringent. Acidity and exfoliation might help pores. But irritation often outweighs benefits on inflamed skin. Brightening overall tone is mostly from exfoliation, like other AHAs, such as glycolic or lactic acid. AAD acknowledges vitamin C and AHAs. Key differences are formulation, concentration, delivery system, and pH. Raw lemon is extremely acidic and can disrupt the barrier. That is the context behind the claims. Online, you will find countless personal stories and testimonials. Some show diluted lemon honey masks once a week, with brighter-looking skin after a month. Compelling, but anecdotal. Results vary by skin type, routine, environment, and even lighting. Success stories usually stress heavy dilution and very short contact times. In medical literature, you will not find trials on raw lemon. There are case reports of harm. Phytophotodermatitis. Citrus compounds react with UVA, causing burns and long-lasting dark patches. Documented after applying lemon or lime, then going into the sun. Streaks or handprints can persist for months. Improvement with citric acid is seen under clinical supervision at known buffered doses, not raw fruit. These studies do not endorse using the raw fruit at home. If, after hearing the risks, you still want to try, do it as safely as possible. Never apply pure undiluted lemon to your face. It is far too acidic and can damage skin. First step is a patch test. Non-negotiable. Start with a fresh, clean lemon. Wash thoroughly. Cut in half. Squeeze about half a teaspoon into glass or ceramic. Avoid metal. Dilute with at least 3 to 4 parts cool water per 1 part lemon. That's about 2 teaspoons water for half a teaspoon juice. Better? Buffer with soothing bases. Option 1. Yogurt. 2.1. Yogurt, lemon. Option 2. Honey. 2.1. Mix until smooth. Apply a small dab to the inner arm or behind the ear. Leave 5 to 10 minutes, rinse well, pat dry, wait 24 to 48 hours. If any redness, itching, swelling, burning, or bumps, do not use on your face. Stop if you react. Safety first. Fairly, here are potential benefits people chase, with high dilution and caution. Mild exfoliation for a temporary brighter look. Astringency can briefly reduce surface oil. Antioxidant contribution from vitamin C, though raw juice is unstable. Together, you might see slow, minor fading of small marks. Safer options: glycolic or lactic toners, niacinamide for oil, clay masks, vitamin C serums, retinoids, azelaic acid. Raw lemon's payoff rarely outweighs its risks. Choose formulated, buffered, tested products. Perspective matters. Now, the most important part: risks. Using raw lemon is not harmless. It can cause lasting damage. The low pH strips the acid mantle. Compromised barrier means moisture loss and irritation. Common outcomes: redness, dryness, peeling, burning. Key risks: phytophotodermatitis. Furanocoumarins in citrus react with UVA, causing blistering burns and dark patches. Chemical burns, especially on thin or sensitive skin. Increased photosensitivity, higher risk of sunburn and long-term damage. Flare-ups in eczema, rosacea, and very dry skin. Allergic reactions, hives, extreme redness, swelling. Also called margarita dermatitis, seen in bartenders who squeeze limes then get sun. Imagine that on your face. Discoloration can end up worse than what you tried to fade. Acids demand rigorous sunscreen and sun avoidance. If you still proceed, these rules are essential, not suggestions. Always dilute. 1 part lemon to at least 3 or 4 parts base. Use water or buffer with honey or yogurt. Patch test. Short contact. Rinse, then wait 24 to 48 hours. If you pass, keep face contact under 10 minutes. Rinse well, moisturize. Use at most once a week. Be obsessive about sun protection. SPF 30+ daily and avoid sun for 24 hours. If you cannot commit to that, do not use lemon on your skin. Takeaway: lemon contains vitamin C and citric acid, but the raw fruit is too acidic and unstable, risking irritation, burns, and sun reactions. Safer, more effective, scientifically formulated products exist for brightening and dark spots. Use precise skincare on your face. Leave lemons for your food. Sources: American Academy of Dermatology. PubMed reviews. Clinical case reports. Now your turn. Share your experiences below and topics you want next. Subscribe, like, and share for more science-backed skincare.